Forest Falls, Mount Baldy, California. My dad's ashes are where we put them. My brother and I, we climbed up the side of this about 11 years ago, actually, around this time. We went up to the top of that fall right there, stood in the center of it, and released his ashes. It was an experience. How we got up there, I have no idea. But let's walk down there right now, and we'll go. We're about 7,000 feet up, roughly, give or take, just below Mount Baldy ski lifts. People come here in the summertime. There's looking southeast. There's a few cabins down there. So to get here, you take Mount Baldy all the way to the top, and then Forest Falls Road is where we are right now. I'm trying to walk down this hillside, a little steep. I love the little plants growing in between. I'm not sure what kind it is. Look at this piece of driftwood or root just growing into the... Look at that piece. Wow, that's a beautiful piece. Look at this. Here we are, guys. I'm walking in the stream to the fall. It's about 60 degrees up here right now, not that bad at all. Actually pretty warm. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. That's pretty cool. All right. We're going right up to it, guys.